Hey guys, what's happening? How to set up price alerts for online shopping deals. So first of all, use price tracking websites like Honey, Camel for Amazon, or Keepa. Okay, and basically enter the product URL and set your target price inside the website. Okay, you can install also extensions like Honey Invisible Hand for real-time price drops. Okay, next, what you're gonna do, many websites like Amazon, right, or Best Buy allow you to set price alerts directly. Just log in and enable just log in and enable notifications if you have the app. Okay, next, Google Shopping. Search for products on Google Shopping and then go to their platform. Let's have an example, this product. I'm gonna go ahead and visit the site, and I'm gonna add the product to my watch list, right? And I'm gonna be able to be notified of any update regarding this product. Okay, and of course, lastly, download apps like Shop Savvy or Slick Deals to monitor price details and snag deals. Pro tip: combine multiple tools for the best savings. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.